Pink. This is the fidget spinner. So we're gonna go basic. I'm a brand new YouTuber. So yeah, we're gonna start basic today. So we got this one right here, all basic. See? Got that one. So this is my first video, by the way. So we got this another normal one right here. This one's not really that special. I mean, like, it's not good. Like, look at it. Yeah. So this one I can actually spin really good with. So see it?
It's so close, look.
See, it's like that. What's this? Like that. So, but I'm gonna do another video later. So this one is really spiky and stuff. Let's spin it. Okay. Now this is like a basic one. This is the first fidget spinner, you could say. Like that. It's not special or anything. But this one, you're gonna like it because look at this. So like that. I'm gonna spin it. Well, that's all for today. Bye.